Masya Allah. Masya Allah. مطرح وادي. ما شاء الله.
Musantum, Rustak, Sohar, Hajar mountain range areas, and the nearby places were reported to be getting good rainfall, causing wadis to overflow and disrupting traffic on roads in certain low-lying areas. Oman's Civil Aviation Authority has warned the possibility of rain with thunderstorm over most of the governorates of Oman, specifically in Dhofar region. The weather has been cloudy in Dhofar region with Kharif or monsoon season in full swing and Arabian Sea along the Dhofar coast turning choppy with waves rising up to 5 meters. The KA has warned beach goers to exercise caution while venturing near and into the sea. Al Hajar Mountains is also included among the regions that will experience rainfall and thunderstorm. Muscat and areas around it will experience strong winds during the day that could kick up dust. Subscribe to the channel and keep abreast of natural changes on the planet.
Allá mira ve, allá ve. Allá mira ve. Está que muy feo, hombre. ¿Viste? Sí, hombre.
Ay, Dios. Señor.
Mira.
¿Dónde? Acá también. Ah, ay, Dios mío. Mira, mira. Mira, mira, asu.